Animals, 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 animals. 2 by 2. They get on the boat. 2 by 2. 2 monkeys. 2 lions. And a very big elephant. How many animals are on the boat? Many, many animals. They're waiting. They wait 10 days, 20 days, 30 days, 40 days. They wait 40 days. 40 days of rain. But here comes the sun. All the animals get off the boat. Many happy animals.